Ninja backspin! Ow, I smacked my face.
Like a ninja, Katie. Like a ninja. You're supposed to quick like that. Seriously. Best train ever. It's perfect. It's got all that frosting on there, and well, it's not finished.
Yes.
It looks like Santa Claus in a way. Like if Santa Claus was my finger.
Oh God, health class.
What?
Gloves are lovely.
Yes, they are.
They are very important for creating a perfect meta scene. Am I pink, Amina?
Well, you have pink all over you.
Alright, I'm pink, Mina.
So, this is Gamzee's masterpiece. Here's his train that he ran Karkat over with. Sing it.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Here's the wonderful house that Slenderman lives in. That ironically has a face when Slenderman does not.
That's where his face went. Obviously.
Oh, right.
Here, wait.
So you would use a hammer if it was possible?
Yes.
I turned around and you're right there. Hello. Are you kneading this like you would knead your sister's face?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
How did you survive? I'm choking, by the way. How? I don't know. How? How?
Oops. Kitty, now we'll never get her answer. This is why I don't let you interrogate the candy. And you ate Nepeta. Nope.
What did she do? This is horrible.
Oh my goodness. No, that's not sad at all. This is sad.
Whatever. I went down to the ocean and saw Fef, and she was all like, glub, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then this troll comes up to me, and she's all like, aren't you the Prince of Hope? And I'm like, yeah, whatever. So later, I'm in the core, and Can comes up, and she's all like, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Cause this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. And then it's 3 a.m. and I'm on the corner, we're wearing my scarf, and Kurt comes up and he's like, hey hipster, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then I'm macking on Nep, and Ek comes up and he's all like, hey, I told you, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. Then up comes Gamzee, I'm like, yo Gamzee, what's up? He's like, nothing. I'm like, that's cool. Cause this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever.
That is sad. I have finally captured the hipster. Well, she's free, but she can't speak and talk her hipster language. What? No, don't break that.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자. 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자. 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거.
What the